If you're a freelancer, startup, or part of a growing team, you've probably felt the pinch of free plans from tools like Trello and Asana. Limited users, capped projects, and fewer advanced features can really slow you down. But today, we're checking out the best free alternatives that offer unlimited users, powerful features, and no compromises. 1. ClickUp is a powerhouse when it comes to free project management. It offers unlimited users and projects, customizable task views, powerful automations, and seamless integrations. Whether you prefer lists, boards, or calendars, ClickUp has the tools to keep you organized and productive, all without spending a dime. 2. Plakey. If you are looking for simplicity with no user limits, Plakey is a hidden gem. Its free plan includes unlimited users and projects with a clean Kanban and list view interface. While advanced features like Gantt charts are reserved for paid plans, the free version is perfect for straightforward project management. 3. Freedcamp. Need unlimited storage and users? Freedcamp is a fantastic option. Its free plan includes multiple views and collaboration tools, though it does come with a 100 megabyte storage limit. If storage isn't a deal breaker, Freedcamp is a solid choice for your team. 4. FocalBoard. For teams that value privacy and control, FocalBoard is an open-source solution that lets you self-host and customize your project management experience. With flexible Kanban and table interfaces, it's a great option for those who want full control over their tools. 5. Zoho Project stands out with features like task dependencies and time tracking on its free plan. It's ideal for smaller teams that need structured management, though the free plan is limited to just 3 users. 6. Wrike and Nifty. Both Wrike and Nifty are all-in-one platforms that combine project tracking with communication tools. They offer spreadsheet-like management, integrated chat, and comprehensive features to keep your team on the same page. Which one should you choose? For unlimited users and flexibility, go with ClickUp or Plakey. If privacy and control are your priorities, FocalBoard is the way to go. For simple, unlimited project management, Freedcamp is a great pick. Explore these tools and find the one that fits your needs. In the following video, I'm sharing 5 free alternatives that can replace your costly software subscriptions. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.